6 months of 2021 have already passed, but we have more 6 months, and that more 6 months means amazing books from us to you to keep you busy. So watch this video to know the latest releases that Storytel has to offer. The Final Girl Support Group by Grady Hendrix is a fast-paced, addictive vampire thriller. 5 girls have survived the unthinkable. They have come together and put up a secret Final Girl Support Group. They have a therapist to help put their life together. But one day one of the girls disappears and then the horror ensues. It Happened One Summer by Tessa Belly. Belly is back with yet another adorable rom-com, and this time Hollywood style. Piper is a paparazzi favorite spoiled brat. She comes from an influential family, but when she lands herself in trouble, her stepdad, to teach her some responsibility, sends her off to Washington. In Washington, she meets Brendan, a bearded, sexy sea captain, and they both are poles apart, but there is an undeniable attraction between the two. A Stranger in the Mirror by Liv Constantine. Now, this is a diabolically twisted and psychologically unsettling novel. It is about Edison. She has no memory of her past. She has met with a fatal accident. The physical wounds have healed, but she has lost all her memory. She is going to get married, but she is not excited about her D-Day. On the other side of the world in Boston, Julian is searching for his wife who disappeared without a trace 2 years ago. Mind Shift by John Perrington tries to analyze how social interactions and culture have conditioned our consciousness. He tries to dig deeper to understand literature, society, culture, and language that monitor mind's functions. The 11th Commandment by Jeffrey Archer is a fast-paced thriller coming from the international best-selling author. Connor is a CIA assassin. He is about to retire, but he is sent off to Russia for his last mission. Connor thinks that he's sent off for a last shoot, but his boss has something else in store for him. Connor is about to be killed because his boss wants to cover her tracks. There has been a fallout between White House and CIA over assassination of a Colombian politician. Will Connor survive? Forms the rest of the story. The Code Breaker by Walter Isaacson is the most talked about book amongst book lovers. It explores the journey of a biochemist, Nobel Prize winning biochemist Jennifer Doudna. She has invented easy to use tool that can edit DNAs. It can cure deadly diseases like corona as well as make inheritable changes in the genes of the babies. Romance, rains, chai and coffee and a good book, that is what you need in this weather. Incense and Sensibility by Sonali Dev is one such book. It is steeped in romance. Yash Raj is an American candidate running for governor elections. He blacks out during a trial and his family seeks help of India Dashwood. India Dashwood is a celebrity stress management coach, but Yash and India have had a history and a passionate one at that. Nobody, Somebody, Anybody by Kelly McClory is touted to be the best debut to read this summer. This is a story of Amy. She has to give TMT exams, but she is busy scrubbing toilets as a maid. When her exams near and anxiety takes over, she devises a placebo program to trick herself into succeeding. This is a laugh out loud comedy, yet tender and heartbreaking. Now those were some sumptuous reads that we offer this month. You can read all of them at just rupees 2.99 per month, only on Storytel app. In our Discover Storytel section, we show you how Storytel has undergone a beautiful transformation. It comes forth in a brand new avatar where the navigation is easy and user-friendly. Take a look. In today's trivia, we have poetess Sylvia Plath. Poetess Sylvia Plath may have had a disturbing end, but she was mighty strong with her words. She penned her first poem when she was 8 years old. The novel The Bell Jar is influenced by her time that she spent in New York City when she was interning at a magazine called Mademoiselle. Next up in our celebrity section, we have actor Sumit Kaur talk about Arjuna's dilemma while on the battlefield of Kurukshetra. Check it out.
दृष्टे मन सजनन कृष्ण युयुत्सन संबस्तितन.
Sakha, everybody standing before me is my kin. I cannot fight. My body is failing, my mouth is dry, I'm quivering, trembling. Gandiva, my bow slips from my hand, my head turns, my body is scorching as if on fire. All I see around me is bad omen. No Krishna. Oh Krishna. I do not see what welfare there is in killing my own kinsmen. Hi, my name is Sumit Kaul, and you can listen to the last few days of The Blue God in my voice on the Storytel app, and you can purchase the hard copy from BBooks.
We have quickly reached the end of this video, which means quiz time. In this video, we spoke about poetess Sylvia Plath. So here's a question related to her. I hope that you've watched this video carefully. So if you answered this question correctly, then 5 of you can win 3 months of Storytel subscription. And the question is, at what age did Sylvia Plath write her first poem? And your options are 16, 8, 9 or 10. The right answer is in this video, so go back, watch the entire video and comment your answers in the comment box below. Meanwhile, I'll sign off. You stay safe and keep listening to great audiobooks only on Storytel.